So, welcome to today's class. Today, we are going to be looking at how to order fractions. Further fractions. Some fractions are bigger than the other. For instance, remember your class of 20 students, right? If you have your class of 20, then I told you to choose five. You have five friends out of that class of 20 students. Now, that 5 out of 20 is not the same thing as somebody that has, let's say, 9 friends out of 20 class. Fractions can be different. So one can be bigger than the other. Is that okay? If I tell you to go and share a bag of fries among 5 of your friends, that fraction, which is 1 over 5, will be different from a fraction when I tell you to go and share that bag of fries among 20 of your friends. Is that okay? Now, we learn how to order fraction. That means order fraction. You can order fraction from the smallest to the biggest, or from the biggest fraction to the smallest fraction. Is that okay? You can order fraction in the order of their magnitude, how big they are. Now, when you look at fractions like this, for instance, if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you know that 10 is bigger than 5, right? You know that 7 is bigger than 3. You know numbers that are bigger. But when it is in fraction form, sometimes it's not very, very easy to know which one is bigger. So we are going to be solving this problem. We are told to order the following fraction from the smallest to the biggest. That means this fraction that we are given, we supposed to order them from the smallest, arrange them in order to the biggest. Now, there are steps to solving this kind of questions. The first thing you need to do is that you have to find the LCM of the denominators. The denominators here are 6, 4, 3, 4, and 2. So the LCM here is 6, 4, 3, 4 is already mentioned, then 2. Now let's go on to find the LCM of the, remember how to find LCM? We have 6, we have 4, we have 3, we have 2. I don't have to repeat the 4 again. Is that okay? So 2 can go into this, I'll have 3 here. 2 can go into this, I'll have 2 here. 2 cannot go into this, so I'll bring down the 3. 2 go into this is 1, right? 2 can go again, I have 3 because it cannot go into here. 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 3, you cannot go. I bring down the 3. Then I have my 1 brought down again. Then 3 can go now. I have 1, 1, and 1, and 1. Is that okay? Everything comes down to 1. So now I have that my LCM will be equal to 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. That means that the LCM of the denominator is what? Is 12. The LCM of the denominators is 12. Having known this, I'm going to clean this for the sake of space. Having known that our LCM of the denominators is 12, the next thing we have to do is to multiply each of these fractions by the LCM. That is, multiply them by 12. So let's start from the first one. We have 5 over 6 times 12. What will it give us? This 6 will cancel the 12. I have 2 here. So it will give me 5 times 2, which is equal to 10. So the first one is resulting to 10. The second one, I have 3 over 4 times 12. That is the same LCM. If I cancel, 4 cancel 12 will give me 3. So I have to give me 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. Right? Let's go to the next one. I have 5 over 3 times 12. This can cancel this. I have 4 here. So I have 5 times 4 is equal to 20, right? The next thing we have is 7 over 4 times 12. This can cancel this, and I'll have 3. 7 times 3 will give me what? 21, right? Then the last thing I have is 3 over 2 times 12. This can cancel this, and I have 6. 3 times 6, which will give me 3 times 6 will give me equal to 18. Now look at our answers here. We have 10. The first one gave us 10. Let me just write it under the fractions. So this one gave us 10. The next one gave us 9. The next one gave us 20. The next one gave us 21. The next one gave us 18. Is that okay? I think I can clean this space now. I can clean this space now for the sake of space. So the first, if I multiply by the LCM, the first fraction, which is 5 over 6, give me 10. The next one give me 9. The next one give me 20. This one give me 21. This one give me 18. Now, to arrange this fraction in order of their magnitude, the smallest value we have here will mean that it is the smallest fraction. Then the biggest value we have here means that it is the biggest fraction. Is that okay? Because we actually multiply them by the same thing. Is that okay? So the smallest fraction here is 3 over 4, which gave us 9. So in ordering, we have 3 over 4 is less than, what's the next value? 5 over 6 is less than 5 over 6. Then 5 over 6 is less than what again? What's the next value? 18, which is 3 over 2 is less than, what is the next value after 18? 20. 5 over 3 is less than, now the biggest one is 7 over 4. So this is how to order your fraction. So when you are told to solve this, this will be the answer. That is step 3. You order according to the magnitude of the value that you get. So the first thing you do is to find the LCM of the denominators. The second thing you do is to multiply each fraction by the LCM of those denominators. And the last thing you do is to what? Order the fraction according to each of the values that you get at your answer. So remember to do some of the assignment. The assignments are going to be given after now. I'll meet you again in the next class. Thank you.